All right, Wednesday, baby, hump day. I'm gonna go ahead and get a few of these things out of my truck that I got yesterday. Put them back there where they belong. That's a nice little unit right there. I like that. A lot of goodness there, buddy. Yep, a lot of goodness there. It's lighter than I expected it to be, but still has a lot of goodness on it. So check out my yard. It's getting a little bit full. I'm gonna work right here today. See if I can see if I can make better room back here. All right, air conditioners, lights. I need to get these lights inside. Lord, I have my work cut out for me today. I got a dryer and somebody had left all their clothes in it. So throw these things in the trash. That's funny. Anyway, I figure I better get some of this stuff that I've got around here that I haven't put away yet. Kind of put away. Got this, oh man, my trailer's full of water. Empty that crap out of there real quick before I go any further. Water. Oh, right all over my compressor almost. Yeah, don't want that sitting in there too long. Yeah, what a mess I have here. I gotta do some cleaning up. Get some stuff organized. I've got so much stuff to do. It's not even funny. Okay, so another lawnmower that the man told me is working perfectly, and I have not tested this thing. I know I can tell you one thing, it doesn't have any gas in it, so it's not gonna work right now. But I'm not gonna throw it away either. That's a nice looking little lawnmower here. I do have a place for it. I need to get some grass mowed out here. What I need to do is jump on that tractor and mow down through here real quick. Think about that. Maybe I should just get on my tractor and mow some. All right. So I can't even get to where my lawnmower goes right now, which is a little ridiculous. So he says that lawnmower works, but them tires about rubbing the side there. It doesn't look like the tires are in rough shape. That might be a scrap item. But in the meantime, I really need to clear this little spot and run my mower through this mess that I got here. Get these ramps. I think I'm gonna sell these ramps. I mean, it's dented, but it's not broken. I mean, I don't think the fact that there's a little dent in them is gonna hurt anything for a ramp. But in the meantime, I'll go ahead and bring these over here and put them all in my aluminum foil, even whether I sell them or not. All kinds of other stuff. Just so you know, I don't think this is silver, but it is heavy. So I'm gonna scratch it, see if it's copper. Could be just copper. I don't know yet. But first, I'm gonna mow some of this grass down. But before I do, I better pick up a few things or I'll have stuff scattered all over the yard like I do now. But it will be worse. Oh, I can tell what that was, a piece of glass. Oh, all right. All right. This thing really needs to go to a homeless shelter in Wilmington. So I need to get that brought to Wilmington. I gotta pick up a water heater down there one day. And now I got a half a bucket of water. I need to take all my buckets, every one of them that I have. Does anybody sell these microwave plates when you get them? I get a lot of them. Just move things just back a little bit. I haven't fired up my lawnmower in a while. Well, I guess I shouldn't call it a lawnmower. It's old 1952 Ford. But my grass is growing up here a little bit low. Everything I have is full of water. It's been raining here so much. I need to get some of this stuff actually put away instead of just thrown around. Oh, got my work cut out for me today, guys. So, if you want to hang out with Scrapping with Grandpa for a day of cleaning up, see that? You know how many times you find a bed frame that has that broken foot on it? You throw it away. That's why I'm keeping it. Let's see here. Not for me, but for somebody. Maybe at the flea market or something. Seems like me. Nice little table here. I'm not throwing this away by any means. Yes, sir. Just moving it out the way. Okay. I think before I start my day out here, I'm gonna cut my grass. All right. There that drill is right there. I've been looking for you. Yeah, I've been looking for you. Damn it, I can't believe this thing rained out. Freaking rain. Pisses me off. I've been looking for this thing for a week. All my stuff. Got a quick rainstorm yesterday, kind of ran inside to get away from it. All right, let's go back here and see if old girl will start. I'll just mow down through there as close over there as I can to knock it down a little bit. Oh, she hadn't been started in a while. Come on, old girl. Let's turn on some gas here. All right, old girl. You know these things, you can't beat them. All right. Click, click. Pull the choke. Neutral. Come on. Come on, girl. Oh, man. Oh, my word. That was amazing. Wow. I had this thing running 2 weeks. Crunk up easy. You can't beat these old 1952 Ford tractors. This thing is amazing. I bought it last year, and I did it so I could clean out my lot next door, in case I ever want to make a scrapyard over there, like this one. LOL, my wife would kill me. Anyways, I just want to get some of this stuff knocked down before I get my day started. Grass cutting. This is what I call my back 40. My wife and I bought this property quite some time back. This is where I enjoy my myself every day. Scrapping with Grandpa. Enjoying life. Living living life at the fullest. Do what you want to do. Check it out. I want to thank one of my YouTubers for sending me these awesome Sid Gear gloves. Size 10 extra large. These are, I mean, I can use my cell phone. I don't have to take my gloves off to use my cell phone. I love them. So thank you very much, Paul. I appreciate that. Nice little Sid Gear. Also sent me some headbands. Cool weather headbands, or cooling headbands. So thank you for all of that. And I am going to go around making holes in all my canisters today because I am getting everything full of water. Everything. Driving me crazy. Driving me crazy. Drill through them all. Look at the water. Pouring out of everything. Water's pouring out of everything. Everything I can put a hole in that I got back here that will hold water, I'm going to do it. Should have already done. Generally, I try to poke holes in everything all the way around it, so we don't get a bunch of full buckets of water in here like that. So we're going to fix that problem first thing this morning by poking holes all the way around my bucket. Now, it won't fill up anymore. Now we've got some buckets. Oh, that's a nice one there. Look at there. Old camouflage bucket. Camouflage. Just filling up with water. Drives me insane. I hate water. So, I'm not even going to put a hole in that one. I just turn it upside down. Somebody might want that bucket. I'll sell that along with that other bucket that I've got. Alright. I mean, if it will hold water, it's holding it. Everything we got back here holds water. Water, water. Everywhere. Water everywhere. Can't have that. Yeah. Dump it in there. Listen. Oh yeah, see there's a big hole in that one already. Not a problem. Old school phone. Old school. Oh yeah, empty. Empty. Look at there. We got stuff all over the place. Full of water. Crazy. No one in water. It's one of the first things I try to do always is drill holes in my buckets. I just haven't done it for a while. I've been getting new ones constantly at the scrapyard. I do not want water sitting all over the place back here. I don't. It's a mess. It's a terrible thing. Water. Water everywhere. Water. Alright. Let's see. Boy. More pipe boots. Back here. When you start having trouble getting through your scrapyard, it's time to do something. Look at all them motors. Motors, and more motors. Nice lot here. Look at this nasty water. Gotta go. Oh yeah. Fountain of youth right there. Fountain of youth. Damn it. That's a lot of water. Alright. once I get that done, I'll be able to start doing something else. There you are. I'm looking for you and you. I'm looking for you and you and you. I'll be looking for them again too, probably. Man, that water everywhere. Lord. Can't have this. Ridiculous. More water. More water. Gotta get rid of it all. That's my big beater hammer. Water everywhere. Holes in it, baby. Put some holes in it. I'm sure you all have the same problem if you got an open lot. I don't want it to hold any water at all. Alright. It just brings on mosquitoes. Kind of good stuff. Mosquitoes everywhere. I'm gonna process this aluminum. Ooh, right over there. Another piece of aluminum. Right over there. Aluminum's everywhere. One hole, two holes, three holes, one more. That's what you do. I reckon that one's got some holes in it, but it doesn't have any holes at the very bottom. That's what it needs it. Joe. Drain. It's got a hole at the bottom. It's got a ton of buckets with water in them. Man, tools. All these tools sell nicely at the flea market. I've got to get them out of that water. Big time. Oh, that one didn't have much water in it. What's that, boss man?
I said she'll be happy now. She's got some nice dirt
Sweet.
around her fire pit.
Sweet. Sweet.
Oh, yeah. I ground that stump up there by the fire pit. She's like,
Yeah, that was nice.
she's like, oh, you only gonna charge me $60? Like,
Yeah, that was nice. That was good though. I appreciate that. That was one of the first trees we planted when we moved here.
Was it really?
Yeah, that was the first
Come
oak
down
tree.
during the storm?
Huh?
Come down during the storm?
No, that's the first one we moved here 20 years ago, 22 years ago. Planted that tree, and it didn't come down, but it dropped leaves in the pool constantly.
Ah.
Every spring the
So
pool
it
was full
coming down.
Every spring the pool was full of water, so we said, well, whatever's dropping, this water's got to go. Is that you or me?
Yeah.
Oh my God, yeah, fucking shit ton of. Didn't even hear him going off. I was on the tractor. Well, good. Does she owe you something now?
Yeah, I'll send her the bill.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'll do it all online, make it easy for
Oh,
me.
sweet. That's better. Somebody gave me the dryer full.
Full.
Yeah, so I opened it up. I was scrap it, and it was full. I can't believe it. It's like they didn't even look in the dryer.
Oil changing towels.
Actually, very good oil changing towels. Awesome. So I got this old military can, which everybody's seen me when I got it in the scrapyard. And I had my landscaper over here and told him I'd sell it to him for 10 bucks. He said, give me the can. So I got 10 bucks for the can. It's a whole lot better than the scrap price.